I'm doing an unboxing and review on the Otterbox Commuter Lite case for the Samsung Galaxy A50. I already took it out the box, so this is what it looks like. The front of the box. And it is the Commuter Lite. This is the back of the box. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Don't even matter, but yeah, that's the inside of the box, and just slides back. That slides back in there. But this is what the phone looks like in the case. I already put the case on there. Then I also put my temper glass on there. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And this was $29 and some change, so came out to $30. And this is for the Samsung Galaxy A20. This is the side view. Can't hardly see it though. Camera won't focus. Then it got all the cutouts. And this is just for my car mount. I got a vent mount in my car. That's basically just like a magnet. That don't come with it. But yeah, this is basically it. And I got this from Walmart. I got everything. I got the phone, the Otterbox case, and the screen protector. I got everything in the same day. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like. If you're getting a A50, this is the Otterbox Commuter Lite, and they also have the Defender case if you want that. But I got the Commuter Lite. This is the only one I seen that Walmart had in stock, so I grabbed this one because I need the case because I just got this phone. It's brand new. And yeah, that's pretty much it.